everyone, this is Shalini. I am back with my new video. In the last video I talked about that how that practice can make you perfect and the challenges which you face while doing conversation with others. And this is most important, you know very well. And nowadays the people are facing the same problem while doing conversation in English language because this is not your native language and they are trying to be perfect in that. And you can be perfect just while following the 5 steps which I am going to discuss with you in this video. Okay, actually there are 5 steps which will help you to develop your fluency in English in language. Okay, so these 5 steps you have to follow. And before starting, let me tell you one thing which is very important. There is no teacher can be better than you for yourself. Okay, first step is listening. To be a good speaker, to be a good communicator, you need to be a good listener. Okay, until unless you are in the habit of listening, you cannot come in the habit of speaking. You cannot be a good speaker. Remember, I'm not saying just listen a particular thing. I'm not saying you just listen the variety of things. Like you can listen news on the news channels, listen the speech of the famous personality, or listen the music, English songs. Okay, listen all these things. We have a variety of things to listen. Okay, and I just want to tell you one thing, that the style and the accent of each speaker is quite different. So try to catch that accent, that style, that expression to make impression on your audience. Okay, this is also play a vital role in your communication. Remember. Okay, and second and most important thing is that when you listen to someone, don't play with your mobile, don't operate your mobile, and don't get stuck in your thoughts. Okay, just pay full attention on them and let them know that he has your attention. First let them speak and then reply. Okay, don't interrupt in mid, so that you will be able to understand that thing, okay, what answer is supposed to give. First let him complete his question. Okay, so if you are a good listener, definitely you can be a good speaker. First you have to understand that what is being asked, and then you will be able to give answer according to the questions. So first let him complete. So this is most important thing. Next step is speaking. Speaking is very important element of communication skills. To be a good speaker, you need to do much more work hard. Speak as much as possible. Speak every day. If it is not your native language, then it is too difficult to understand what is correct sentence, what is wrong sentence, what is accurate vocabulary. But I told you earlier the famous phrase, that is practice make perfect. When you do practice, you can improve. Okay, you can improve anything what you practice. Okay, so in this way I'm going to tell you that how you can improve your speaking. You have to follow LRRC. Now what is LRRC? L stand for listening. Just start by listening to the sentence in English and just keep 2 phones along with you. Okay, you have to take 2 phones. And why these phones we need, I will tell you. So first listen that whatever you are having, if you are having a speech of famous personality in your phone, listen that. Okay, listen that. And after that, second word is R. R means repeat. That means repeat that sentence, pause that audio what you are listening, pause it, and then repeat that sentence. Okay, again and again repeat that sentence in your own voice. And next word is again R. That next R stand for the record. Now record that your voice, what you are speaking, record it in another phone. I told you have to take 2 phones. In one phone you have to listen, in another phone you have to record your voice, what sentence you heard, what sentence you listened in that earlier video audio, in that audio what you are listening, that you have to repeat. Okay, just pause the audio and then repeat that sentence in your own voice and then record it. Okay, in another phone record it. And after that, C4 stand for compare. Listen the original audio and then listen your recording audio yourself. Okay, Just listen these both and compare the two, and then you will be able to notice where you are making mistakes and where you are able to speak, where you are able to say, and then work upon your mistakes. Our third step is reading. Make strong reading habit. It can enable you to elaborate the things, and it can enable you to find out meaning in everything what you read. If you continuously reading, if you continuously develop this reading skill, then you will be able to develop your fluency. You will be able to communicate with others without feeling hesitate, because already you are reading a lot. And just, I'm not saying read a particular book, read comics, read newspapers, whatever you like to read, just read it. Okay, reading is most important. Okay, read as much as possible. Okay, read at most. The fourth step is writing. The best idea to improve your writing skill is start writing a diary. Start writing whatever you like. If you have an interest in cooking, start writing recipes. If you have an interest in movies, if you have an interest in actor or actress, start writing about them. Okay, just put your thoughts into text. Write at most. To be a good communicator, you have to be in the habit of writing. Write at most. Okay, if you are able to write, then automatically it will fix in your mind, and when we go to communicate with someone, so these thoughts, these words, whatever you have written, those vocabulary, whatever you have written, these will help you. This will help you to communicate with others. Okay, and at the time, on the spot, you can use these words. And whenever you find that some vocabulary which are unfamiliar, the words which you don't know, look up the dictionary, just search the meaning and learn it, so that whenever there would be need, you can use in your communication. Okay, now fifth and last step is watching. And I don't think so there is anyone who does not like to watch television. Some of the family members, they like to watch Saas Bahu serial. Some of the family members, they like to watch sports channel. Some of the family members, they like to watch news channel. Okay, actually before watching, you have to do one thing. Just keep a notepad and pen along with you. Okay, and because the television can enhance your ability to communicate, and the television program help us to come up with new words, and that new conversational ideas, conversational English skills. Okay, it give us new ideas. So just whenever you find unfamiliar vocabulary in that serial, in that particular channel, in that particular news, just make a note. Okay, note it down, and then just look up the dictionary, find out the meaning and learn it, and use these words in your sentences. Wherever need, wherever you go to do conversation with anyone else, just use these words in your conversation. Okay, try to engage this. So to be a far more active while watching TV. And you must know the difference between the active vocabulary and the passive vocabulary. Now what is passive vocabulary? Passive vocabulary, the words which can recognize but which does not use, which is not used in your daily sentences, in your sentences, which you use rarely. Okay, and the active vocabulary is that the words, that is a range of the words which is used in your spoken, okay, which you use in your communication very often. So you have to pick up only the active vocabulary which you can use in your conversation. Okay, so in this way you can improve your communication skills. Okay, you don't need to depend anyone else, because no teacher can be better than you for yourself. Remember the thing. Okay, you just follow these 5 steps. I'm telling you, you will be a perfect, and after few months you will feel some improvement in yourself. Okay, you will feel some improvement. Okay, and you will be a good speaker, definitely, and fluency will be there. So just follow these steps. By following these steps, you can be perfect. So thank you. And so guys, if you like my video, subscribe my channel and like, share and do comments, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get upcoming videos. Thank you guys.